In the last video, we discussed about how to add meta title and meta description for the on-page SEO. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to write articles with relevant keywords so that Google identifies your relevancy as we had discussed in the on-page SEO in the logic behind SEO chapter. So once Google identifies you as relevant, you will be all set to win, and articles and blogs play a very crucial role here. So I'm gonna give you a very powerful tool by which you can search keywords and make articles based on that so that Google ranks you higher. Another important thing to note is that in your article, the main keyword should come about 3 to 5 times. If you pump in your keywords like say 10, 15 times, then Google sees that you are trying to force your way up in the ranking and it just penalizes you. So I don't suggest that. Keep it very simple, make quality content, insert your keyword 3 to 5 times so that it is in resonance with what Google feels that this is right. So let us go and select how to actually choose the right keyword. So what we'll search is go to Google and search keyword everywhere, and the first result, just click on it. This is a Chrome plugin, so just install for Chrome, or if you're using Firefox, just install it. Just click on it. So this is Google extension. So as of now it is currently installed for me, but had it not been installed, it would have come, there would have come an option install here. So just click install here. It will ask you for your mail, and then it will send you a free API. Just copy that API from your mail, just click it here, and it will be activated. Now you can Google search any random thing, like say I want to search about tackle loneliness, because our website context is Healing Buddy and it's a free depression helpline. So 4 ways to deal with loneliness, and you see related keywords are coming here. This is our keyword everywhere tool. It's coming how to deal with loneliness and depression, how to deal with loneliness in a relationship, how to deal with loneliness at night. So there are so many keywords right here. And and there is also something really interesting here. 90 searches per month on this. The CPC's cost per click is $1.91. This is pretty expensive, and competition is 0.06. So there is no competition or very less competition in this segment. The higher this number is, like say it's 0.94, then there is extreme competition and the CPC would be very high. Like say for instance, just search here, how to deal with loneliness in a marriage. So the volume is 140, the CPC is around $3.52. Now what you have to do is you have to mix all these and you have to put it all in your article. And for that there is a very powerful tool here, export to CSV. Just export this file, open your Word file, and while you are writing your article, use these keywords at relevant places about 3 to 5 times, about 3 to 5 times, so that Google identifies that these keywords and your website are very relevant. And the more important thing, if you write your article in a sophisticated way so that more users come read it out throughout, then Google will automatically rank you very high. It's very crucial. To learn how to write more sophisticated content, please watch our content development course. And this is about writing articles in a nutshell. This is a very exhaustive subject. I've just covered it in very short so that you get a grasp of it and you can experiment it as per your will. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to submit this website to Google with your entire meta title, meta description, and all these articles.